tiamo akwa biom fa braga na nsem TV eso me say your friend will say we are part of the National Democratic Congress automatically no em say sense of reasoning no and your sense of understanding and sense of reading no enye adwuma biom. The reason why I'm saying this is that there is this woman or I think say US or say UK and obekaya time save the judiciary no demo no some incident being happening here. But this woman, I don't know if Sebon or Abon say we do not mean video. Or be video, but I'm sure I'm sure video be here number here. It didn't come on.
Ebusia bombo atija ajigigim abrase atija Ebusia me say another by-election is coming atija abrase hey abrase gugum Ebusia ne abrase kosi wan so abrase kosi micro minority for leader Afenyo Markin sa me bombo no ene de abrase kosi no so Ebusia pasoi neti personality and I'm saying another by-election is on the way coming is pending Ebusia muka say MP before a demonstration bia na police for guide wo na police guide wo no minority leader MP Afenyo Markin yinsa the ball police ni asum Mesi ojinensa na abon se baba sakase dia na ka police ni kanitibate odi man so se wam ama police yese ni nsa na sisi fo na ni su bi no kwa afafa Ebusia na fe na police for actually tetete e dey come speaker of parliament say on release Afenyo Markin ema wo mu na yankotototo na no because who MP what's a lawyer? Hey, law school, say the law school come to Kobi. Say, pa, na lawyer, sa wagana ya dia, law school come to Kobi. Ebusia, ama say, na yesi Afenyo Markin, se mrano me yin sembiano. Ebusia, na anya civilian, anya me no, anya ordinary person the same you. Who MP? What's a lawyer? What me you unsa? Ebo police ni asum. Sane se wunti, Ghana for papa Ebusia ti se no mo si yamfa mra na se ye chi no ko ne akototo na no na won de a ono so ye be dey ye de ne betum me say ye reset Ghana wo MP as parliamentarian wo you unsa abo police ni asum ye say the leadership by example Afenyo na nyama wa sa bro ye say because MP from head to toe omuni na sabe omu mo number omuni na just me hu we de menu suma omu metima ka so omuni na ye useless obi hu ma just oye papa from head to toe hey doctor Abaomiana bobobo Canada Japan bobobo se I want people party because they do power the sabe they no ye nyam onimi nyansa the entire make us hano. Ebusia, ya che fancy comedy ye mu dia. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, or ye. Na debia make se bata ono but if you buy dia wonka. That ko be go na se. E wa bonti, e bi na ato abronye no. Abronye dia tam na ya mo dia na so so se no dia atam no bi eba Canada Japan so no. O se dia o dia tam no eba mo kasa no so no. Mo se be bia ko wie no. Mo se be bia ko se evidence ko fa na nyene. O no she de be tu chesa oshade a obepiri mu sei no ware onyina kire nso obepiri mu na wahwe di pe ya de na nya mo so bon kan kire no NDC e pastor ma nya na ya kira ono so ya process na kokoto NDC sika de fe etwa wo ya de na nya ya beka me sa na mtie ntu beta me time prako me nua no me kuru me ba na ya de na nya beka na sa de a wo ye de enye me ma asam no ya chino ya reset Ghana ama niyama ko yama Ghana yim no me nyina ye ho to ye enti Ebusia Afenyo Markin kwara fa so timi yi nsa ade bo police ni asoma police ni nya ne hwe no hey ono so no ho ba chiri ni se witua Ebusia anti information wo ho no timi se another by election eba
abon kra na on date na ewo ade no so no hwe date no any will tell you say This thing happened on the 5th of May 2025. Endra na mami ye video no. Endra. 15th of September 2025. It seems like it is only in the NDC. And 15th September. It look to say 5th September. 5th May at the moment. It is only in the National Democratic Congress. And 15th September looks like 5th May to them. And you know, after watching this video, I feel like if someone tells you, say you are an NDC member, automatically the person is trying to insult you. Because the Amini shows how ignorant she is. It shows that she doesn't even have idea about whatever she's saying. The Ghana Police Service wrote letter to the Speaker of Parliament on the 5th of May. Say, omo pese, omo makwaina, oma minority leader, embe in some investigation be omo concerning some incidents be happening or fix the save the judiciary demo on the 5th of May no. And almost 4 months etwomako anko baby a foolish case. What you say anko baby a what you say. Now all of a sudden after this Abonia case and this Azoka thing all came up no. Then boom, this illiterate went and brought out this write up 4 months ago no, and started making unnecessary noise. And I was like, bro, this is the reason why Ghana is ranked as the 8th country with the lowest IQ in the world. Because how can you be so dumb to the extent that you can't even read the write-up and check the date this write-up was put up? You see, I feel like these people, I was say, it do maybe our own. Electoral Commission MIA share amount for a dream. And sana, Yamomo Quine Crown Maye, Atu about Ghana Hanum say. Because imagine this person choosing a leader for you. That country, you know, is doomed. I'm telling you, that 53% people got to Sabane, almost 60% of them are dumb. They don't even understand and they don't even know the reason why they even went out to vote. It just feels like, oh, be a can be can be. That's what they did. And this is an example because how can a grown-up person like you fail to read what you are talking about and even understand what you are talking about? And she was even saying that another by-election. Hey, now no school now come on now, school no. I don't understand. What has police inviting someone to help in investigation has to do with by-election? Hey, Charlie, you people are the reason why people keep on insulting you guys, because the level of illiteracy is kind of high. It has to be an educated illiterate. A lot of them are in your political party because this kind of ignorance I will show and tells what you've been even telling your children in the house. Okay, something happened 4 months ago, and that was when police, you know, yes, put up this write-up at the core of Parliament. And you are only baby mama who say like she doesn't even know what she's saying, no. Or say afeina, meaning now. It is now, or now that afeina, now that. It means she doesn't know what she's talking about. Because I say afeina and I say now data, which means it is something that was just wrote either today or yesterday. So I say afeina, it is now that the police has officially written a letter. Not just say a letter for actual. So it should be dated either 15 September or 16 September. That this letter no, is dated 5th May. It means say actual dada. So how can you be so ignorant to the extent that you don't even read to understand what you are even talking about? And this person would like to argue with you. This person will not argue. Bro, save your energy when it comes to these people. How you gonna same TV? Ready from the blogger.